Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use Deepseek on your Android without any third-party app. Now as you can see here I have this Deepseek application that is installed on my Android device. So basically what I did was I just went to the Play Store and then I searched for Deepseek. So just go on the Play Store and then type Deepseek, and here you will find this Deepseek AI Assistant app. You will have a button which is install like that, but don't install the Deepthink AI Seek chatbot. This is a fake Deepseek, so don't be fooled. Now, once you are here, click on open and then you will be on this page. So you either can continue with password, continue with Google, or sign up or create a new account. Let's just continue with Google and then agree with the terms of use and the privacy policy and choose one of my accounts. So let's choose this one, for example. And here, as you can see, you have this welcome to DeepSeek page. Now let's click on start chat. As you can see here, I have this text box to message DeepSeek. So I can just write any prompt. Let's just type hello and then click on this little arrow to submit it. And that's it. Now I'll just have to submit my request and I'll be able to run DeepSeek on my Android device. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.